Now, in this session, we will try to understand what is the array. An array is nothing but kind of a container, you can say, which contains the multiple values. Here in this video, you have seen the one container which looks like a box contains the multiple books. Here we can say container is nothing but the array, books we can say the values. And if you wanted to take the book from the container, you are going to pick the book by using its index. The same way, if you are going to see this image, a container which contains the different kind of numbers. The same way, another container which contains the different kind of books. Same way, another container which contains the gold coins. If you observe these three containers, every container having the different kind of values. If you take the first container, it doesn't have the any book and it doesn't have the any gold coin. The same if you take the second container, it is also doesn't have any gold coin and doesn't have the any number. Even in the third case also as well. That is the main important point you have to keep in mind. If you are going to declare the any container, first of all you have to make sure that what kind of values you are going to be maintained. The same way, an array in the C#.NET which contains the group of values which should be having the same data type.